Are you looking to protect your truck bed? Then a tonneau cover might be the perfect solution. Tonneau covers are designed to keep your truck bed safe from the elements and provide a secure place to store cargo. We've put together a list of the 5 best tonneau covers. So let's get started with the list. List number: Backflip MX4 hard folding truck bed tonneau cover. The Backflip MX4 tonneau cover has durable aluminum panels that automatically latch as the cover is partially or fully closed, and is fully locked once your tailgate is closed. Featuring a matte finished aluminum panels, protecting against marks, scratches, and UV damage, as well as premium upgrades to the perimeter seals and hardware. 100% bed access. The MX4 truck bed cover is rated up to 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight and is easy to install. Protect your truck bed with this premium Backflip MX4 tonneau cover. Our aluminum panels automatically latch as the cover is partially or fully closed and is fully locked once your tailgate is closed. This easy-to-use cover features a dual-action tailgate seal for tailgate operation open or closed, paired with a removable cargo liner that can be buttoned up when needed or rolled down for maximum access to your gear. List number: Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Gator ETX Rollable Soft Tonneau Cover for your truck bed is made in the USA with globally sourced materials and supported by our USA-based customer service team. Simple, clamp the rails on and you'll be ready for a simple installation that comes complete with everything you need for an easy install. The rollable design rolls towards the cab for full access to your truck bed. This roll-up truck bed cover is made from Green Guard approved materials, certified to meet the stringent water bead requirements of the Green Guard program. It is designed to fit both Honda and Toyota trucks with an inch bed width, and its patented technology creates a convoluted shape that channels water away from your vehicle without affecting your visibility. The sophisticated engineering of this all-in-one camouflage tonneau, along with its sturdy construction, ensures it will weather all seasons. List number: Oedro Trifold Truck Bed Soft Tonneau Cover. Oedro's Trifold cover provides security, convenience, and an attractive appearance for your pickup vehicle. With pre-assembled powder-coated rails and aluminum clamps that are easy to install. It is thicker and longer than many of our competitors' products. The innovative design allows easy access to the cargo area. It's one of the most advanced truck covers available today on the market. Oedro's Trifold Truck Bed Cover provides your pickup with the perfect combination of security and convenience. The tailgate lock turns your pickup into a completely secure trunk, which is snowproof and dustproof. Composed of double-layer PVC with pre-assembled powder-coated rails and aluminum clamps, Oedro's truck tonneau cover has been thoroughly tested for UV protection and superior tensile properties. List 4. Most Plus Quad Fold Soft Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Most Plus Quad Fold Soft Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is a heavy-duty and high-quality tonneau cover for your truck. The tonneau cover provides protection from the elements by keeping things dry, including your equipment. It is made of high-quality, tear-resistant vinyl with 3 heavy-duty aluminum powder-coated frames and 4 horizontal crossbars to avoid airlifting issue. The tonneau cover has double-sided construction that becomes fully transparent to keep your cargo inside the bed while exposed using the naked eye. Also keeps it safe from any kind of spills or splashes in case of an accident. The most promised quad folding truck bed tonneau cover is compatible for 2015 to 2023 Ford F150 with dimensions of 5.5 feet. Seat bed and compliant to vehicle weight distribution standards up to 5,650 pounds, 273.2 kilograms with 0 to 3% weight distribution drop. List 5. Utimotor Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Utimotor Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is made of high-quality aluminum and has 2 layers, which are constructed with the strength and stability that you need to protect your belongings in your truck bed. It is designed to fit most pickup trucks and SUVs, including Ford F150, Nissan Titan, GMC Sierra 1500, and Chevrolet Silverado 3500. The tonneau cover comes with aluminum panel, is finely crafted from high-density aluminum in order to grant exceptional impact resistance and 350 pounds bearing capacity. Protect your items from theft. Resistant against corrosion, water, snow, and UV to deliver long-lasting use. Rugged double-layer aluminum panels are completely waterproof and highly resistant to annoying fingerprints and scratches. Stable hinges can be folded forward and secured with nylon straps. Powerful frame and built-in clips provide immense stability,